Hi again, I'm Lily from our Microsoft Teams team. Did you know that you can do so much more than just send a text from the Teams mobile app? From editing your text to attaching files and even creating your own meme. I'm going to share a few of my favorite chat features so you can try them out too. When there are a lot of messages in your chat and you want to reply to something a few messages ago so everyone knows what you're responding to, just swipe right on that message. It will be added to your reply where you can add what you would want to respond with and just send it over. Now, to see all the chat features for customizing your messages, tap on the plus sign. Here you can see all your options like adding a photo, attaching a file, or adding a GIF. For a more urgent message, tap priority to mark it as important or urgent to notify everyone every 2 minutes for 20 minutes. And when you need to draw more attention to what you're saying, tap format to bold, underline, or highlight your text. You can even have a little fun and send your own meme or GIF by tapping GIF, choosing one from the gallery, and then sending it. Try customizing your messages or sharing your own meme in your next chat. It can be both impactful and fun. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe today.